The reason you get more room in a laminate closet than a wood closet is with a laminate closet there's only one support section between the section on the left and the right, but in a wood closet you're actually going to have two support sections between each section, so there's double the amount of support, but it's going to take a lot of room. Customers love seeing 3D designs. What's really neat about them is you'll see how that space will live specifically for you. The reason that our drawers are better than others is, number one, we offer dovetail drawers with birch construction, and then also mitered drawers with a birch construction. So it's not a cheap, flimsy, plastic type of thing that'll not stay sturdy over time. A lot of people in the industry will use a 12-inch depth of shelving. The problem for a homeowner with that situation is if you have sweaters or you have longer shoes, they're going to hang off the edge. It's not going to look as good when you go to put it on, or you may have to iron it. There's actually 26 different colors in our laminate systems. The solid colors are usually about 5% or so or more than the white, and the ones that have the texture may run anywhere from 10% to 15% more than the standard white. With our closet systems, the top shelf is usually about a foot away from the ceiling, and it doesn't give you any dead space that is of no value to you. Corners of the closet can be a pain in the rear. We actually have corner shelves. This way you're getting an efficient use of those corner space. You can move them up or down depending on the height of what you want to put in there.